Hey guys, Johnny here, and I got another exciting video for you today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you another IPO stock. Now, this company had an initial public offering today, January 21st, 2021. Now, it's Dream Finders Homes for $20.66 right now for its share price. Ticker symbol is DFH, and it just came out today, which was January 21st at 9 a.m. Now, this company was said to have 9,600,000 shares of Class A common stock at an initial public offering of $13 per share. Well, that blew out of the water because it was trading at 1951 by the time the market actually opened. It looked like it dropped a little bit to 1823, and it looks like it's bounced up to $20.66, which is a gain of, on this, it's saying 61%, which is incredible. 61% today. So, for everyone who doesn't know what this company is or what they do, let's talk about that real quick. To summarize what they are a company that basically builds homes. Let's see the right page here. Let's see. And we'll just do right here. So it's formed for the purpose of completing an initial public offering of its common stock and related transactions to carry on the business of Dream Finders Holding LLC as a public traded entity. Now, this company builds single-family homes in Florida, North Carolina, Texas, Colorado, and in other places. They filed to raise $100 million in an IPO, and the DFH, or this company, Dream Finders Homes, has taken the opportunity to expand its addressable markets and appears well positioned to benefit from changing consumer location preferences as a result of the pandemic. Now, a quick take on these guys. Basically, DFH had made a material acquisition to expand its market, which is awesome, which is why they're doing the IPO. They're also in the pursuit of asset-light strategy to develop and sell single-family homes, and as well as company's primary offerings, including entry-level, first-time move-up, and second-time move-up. Their purchase price has increased 4.4% over the year, and it looks like sales jumped, increasing over $8,500 per unit to $210,000 per unit, which is just incredible. There's not much here on the Robinhood app, nor is there much on the Yahoo Finance, but I did want you guys to know that this company just came out today, and we will continue to watch it and see what happens as time goes on. So again, this is an IPO for basically a property management company who builds homes. So it is in the real estate market. We'll see what happens. Maybe they'll start paying dividends eventually. But if you guys like this video, you like me finding these videos and these like stocks for you that you've never heard of, go ahead and smash that like button for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is video number 21 out of video 30 for the January challenge. So I have a long list of videos that you can watch if you're new to the channel. And if you like this kind of stuff in general, stocks, finance, investing, smash that like button and do me a favor and put something in the comments that lets me know you watched this video till the end. All right, you guys have a great day.